Okay, it's Sunday, January 7th, 2024, and we're getting a little snowstorm. Jakey's gonna love it. What a good boy. Oh yes, the snow. Very pretty. I think we're only supposed to get like 6-7 inches. It's about 5 on the ground now. He's gonna do his poo thing. There he goes. Got the generator under that. And a couple of cords of wood out here. Still no garage, but we're working on it. Whenever it happens, it happens. Good boy. Yes. Yes. Come on, let's go for a little walking. I just shoveled this stuff not long ago. Go ahead. He does love it up here. Oh, I'll stay right here. Now, eventually, I'll hook up that plow to the front of the Jeep that I got. There it is. Then that hooks on the front. Jake, come. Oh boy. All right, that's it. Good boy. Okay. You could see the fires going in the stove. Let me see if I can. Jake, come. Whoops, this allows a video. Oops, going the wrong way. Oh, it's just a quickie. Like a little ski slope here. Got the bird feeder out. It's covered with snow. He's got his bear bells in his mouth. Yeah, he's too funny. Okay, it's just a little shorty. Have a great day.